I'm Elijah Ortiz with La Rosa Realty CW.
I'm Anthony Rodriguez with La Rosa Realty CW Properties.
And we just sat through this amazing presentation that was set from my man Daniel Fleischman with Exponential Business Coaching.
And the workshop is Exponential Real Estate Results. Go get it. It's the best in the business. Go check them out.
If you're in the industry, I strongly recommend to tap in. There's a lot of gems that's going to be dropped. It will help all agents with all facets of marketing and everything. The energy is amazing. He lit up the room, and at first, the first impression that he gave, I didn't think he was going to be able to present much in value, but he proved me wrong. He opened up my mind to all different types of facets, different areas to propel the business. So
it turned out to be a great coaching session. We learned a lot. I got a lot of take-homes from him, and we're going to put it to use. Real, most of these real estate trainings don't teach you how to make more money. With Daniel, not only did we learn that, but he also boosted up our confidence and told us, to think big and set your goals extremely high.
Showed us different sources on how to generate more leads, and leads is the name of the game. So if I were you, I would definitely tap in. Daniel's great at what he does. And I guarantee it that you will not be disappointed. So if I were you, tap in. It's at your own benefit, man.
Yeah, Daniel taught me how to get leads with attorneys and also how to tap into LinkedIn. You guys definitely got to check Daniel out, man. You won't be disappointed.
Are you ready to get exponential? Boom.